How's it going, scholars? And welcome back to another lesson with me today for Group 2. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with, and we're going to get started. Okay, to start off fluency, we're going to see some dots on this piece of paper. So we're going to start on this side first. And I'm going to ask you, how many dots do you see? So go ahead and count them all up. How many dots do you see? 7. What two parts of 7 did you see in this picture? What two parts did you see? For example, this is a part, this could be a part, and this could be a part. So if I'm looking at this, I see it as 3 and 4. So we're going to say the number sentence. 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, we're going to do the next one together. Ready? How many dots do you see? 7. And what two parts of 7 do you see? So I hear somebody saying 2 and 5. And we're going to say that number sentence together. Ready? 2 plus 5 equals 7. Awesome. Here's the next one. Taking a look at this side first. Ready? How many dots do you see? 7. And what two parts of 7 do you see? I heard somebody say 3 and 4. Yep, those are two parts of 7. So we're going to say the number sentence together. Ready? 3 plus 4 equals 7. And here is the next one. Let's take a look at this picture now. How many dots do you see? The answer is 7. Now, what two parts of 7 do you see? Oh, I hear multiple people saying different things. I hear somebody saying 4 and 3, or somebody is saying 6 and 1. Whichever way you see two parts to make 7 is perfectly fine. So let's do this way first. So this part is what? 4 and 3. So we're going to say that number sentence together. Ready? 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, we got a couple more. Let's take a look at this side. How many dots do you see? The answer is 7. And what two parts of 7 do you see? I heard somebody say 4 and 3. So we're going to say that number sentence together. Ready? 4 plus 3 equals 7. And we got 2 more. This next one right here, let's take a look at this one. How many dots do you see? The answer is 7. And what two parts of 7 do you see? Oh, I heard someone say 1 and 6. That's a great way. So we're going to say that number sentence together. If you said something else, but it still makes 7, that's awesome. So we're going to say 1 plus 6 equals 7. And here's the last one. What two parts of 7 do you see? Or how many do you see? 7. And what two parts of 7 do you see? Someone said 5 and 2. Great. So we're going to say that number sentence together. Ready? 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right, so the next part of fluency that we're going to do is I'm going to show you some objects and you're going to tell me how many you see. So for example, this first one, how many do you see? 12. What is 12 the say 10 way? It would be 10, 2. Awesome. Now we're going to do some more, right? Here is the next one. How many objects do you see? 14. And what is 14 the say 10 way? It'd be 10, 4. All right. Think you guys are getting the hang of it? Here, we're going to do another one. Here we go. How many objects do you see? Take a good look. The number is 16. And how would you say the number 16 the say 10 way? Ready? It'd be 10, 6. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I think you guys are getting it now. How many objects do you see? 13. And what is 13 the say 10 way? 10, 3. All right, and then what is this one? How many objects do you see now? 14. And what is 14 the say 10 way? Oh, I'm sorry, not 14, 15. What is 15 the say 10 way? 10, 5. All right, and then we'll finish it off. What about this one? Let's do this one. How many objects or dots do you see? 18. And what is 18 the say 10 way? 10, 8. Oh my gosh, some of you guys probably already noticed that this side is always gonna be 10. All right, how many objects do you see? 11. And what is 11 the say 10 way? 10, 1. All right, 2 more. Ready? How many objects do you see? 19. And what is 19 the say 10 way? 10, 9. And the very last one, we got this one. How many objects do you see? 17. And what is 17 the say 10 way? 10, 7. Great job. Okay, we're gonna move on to our application problem now. Ready? So I'm gonna read this part and make sure you have that piece of paper and something to write with, okay? So I'm gonna read the question. Pretend I give you 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. How many pencils did you get? I'm gonna read it one more time, okay? Pretend I give you 6 colored pencils. How many colored pencils? 6 colored pencils. And 4 regular pencils. How many regular pencils? 4 regular pencils. Okay, 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. How many pencils did you get? So now I'm gonna look for 3 things, okay? I'm gonna first look for the picture. So make sure you draw a picture. And then I'm gonna look for your number bond. And I'm gonna look for your number sentence. 3 things. Picture, number bond, number sentence. All right, so go ahead and pause that video and come back when you are done. All right, if you're at this point of the video, I think you finished all 3 things. Your picture, your number bond, and your number sentence. Okay, so we're gonna do this together and you can check your work, and if you got everything right, you can give yourself a smiley face. All right, so pretend I give you 6 colored pencils. Oh, that sounds really important. 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. Oh, that sounded really important. 4 regular pencils. So 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. How many pencils did you get? So I'm going to first draw my 6 colored pencils. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here are my 6 colored pencils. I'm gonna make them a little bit colored so I know. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, my 6 colored pencils. There we go, that shows better. Here's my 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I got my 6 colored pencils. And I need 4 regular pencils. So let me draw 4 regular pencils so I can make a line right here so I know that they're different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got my 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. So if I'm filling in this number bond, I know that 6 of my pencils are colored and that they're all pencils. So I think the colored pencils is one of my parts. It's one of my what? parts. Okay, so 6, I'm going to put 6 in one of my parts. Here we go. And then I got 4 regular pencils. They're still pencils, but these are regular pencils. So I'm going to put it in my other part. In my where? Other part. So I got 6, 6, and 4. And my total, what's my whole going to be? Let's see, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My total is going to be 10. Am I finished? No, I gotta draw my number sentence. So I'm gonna start with this part first. I'm gonna say 6 plus 4 equals 10. Or if you drew your number sentence a different way, maybe you drew your number sentence like this. You said 10 equals 6 plus 4. That's still correct. Or maybe you switch the 4 and a 6. That's still great. As long as you got 6 plus 4 equals 10, or 4 plus 6 equals 10, or any of the other ways around, that works. All right, so if you got everything today, you did such a great job, and you can give yourself a happy face for doing such awesome work. Thanks for joining me for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time. I will see you back again on Thursday. Bye.